Hello children, let us come to another sum for construction of similar triangles with a common vertex. It is given to us the triangle XYZ similar to triangle XMP. Construct triangle XMP if this data is given to us and XY is to XM is 3:1. Now let us see what is given to us and which is the original triangle. When you see this is XYZ, correct? So triangle XYZ's measurements are given to us. XY is here, that means this is the original triangle and this corresponds to the new triangle. Okay, so 3 corresponds to the original triangle and 1 corresponds to the new triangle. This means that the original triangle is bigger than the new triangle that we are going to construct. In the earlier sum, we had seen that the original triangle is smaller and the new triangle was bigger, so it was constructed outside the original triangle. But in this case, since the original triangle is bigger, the new triangle will be considered inside the original triangle. So this is an inside type of construction. So let us begin with the rough figure first. As I have told you earlier, first let us see which is the common vertex here. So XYZ and XMP, so X is the common vertex. Now here it is given that measure angle X is 60 degrees. So we will take this X on the left hand side as decided earlier. Since this is just a rough figure, we are not going to take any measurements here. So let me draw this as the triangle. Okay, so this will be X, XZ, XY, any of these can be the base, but we will take XZ as it is the longer one. So this becomes XY, which is 7 centimeter, and this X is 60 degrees. So the original triangle is drawn, and with respect to the steps that I had given you earlier, we have taken the common vertex on the left hand side. Now the second step is we have to draw a ray. Okay, so starting from the common vertex, we draw a ray downwards. On this ray, we need to draw whichever is maximum value here. So we need to draw 3 arcs here. So again, I hope you all are working with me. As I told you, don't take it so let us make 3 parts here. 1, 2 and 3. Approximate measurement. So this is X1, X2, X3 because it begins from here. Okay. Now since 3 corresponds to the original triangle, this is the original triangle. From this point X3 I will connect to the original triangle. Alright. Now 1 corresponds to the new triangle, so from X1 I have to draw a line which is parallel to this X3Z, and the point that I get here, I have to draw a line which is parallel to YZ over here. Since it is a rough figure, we are not going to make see much to the precision of it, but this tiny triangle that you see is the new triangle. XZ, what corresponds to XZ here? XZ, so XP, so this will be P. This is XY, what corresponds to XY? XM, so this will be M. So this is the new triangle XMP, where the original triangle is 3 times the new triangle. Original is thrice the new triangle. Okay, so this is our rough figure. Now we will begin with the construction. Children, let us first start by drawing segment XZ, which is 9 centimeters. I hope all of you are constructing along with me. So this is XZ, which is 9 centimeters. Now the angle over here is X, which is 60 degrees. So with the help of the protractor, let us measure this angle here as 60 degrees. Okay, so this is 60 degrees, and on this I need 7 centimeter. So on the compass, take 7 centimeters. This is our original triangle, which is X, Y, Z. So this is 7 centimeters. So this is a bigger triangle. Now we go to the second step, that is we draw a ray. And on this ray, how many parts are we going to take? 1, 2 and 3. So any convenient measurement. One, 2 and 3. So this, since it begins from X, this will be X1, X2, X3. Now X3 corresponds to the original triangle, so we will join point Z and X3. Okay, now 1 corresponds to the new triangle, so we have to draw a line parallel here using the concept of congruent angles. So place your pointer or the compass on X3, take a suitable measurement and draw an arc to cut these two arms of the angle. The same thing, same measurement I'll place on X1 to draw an arc. Okay, now if this is going inside the triangle, there is no issue about it at all. Now last time, as I told you, let me just mark these points for you to see. So take the distance between these two dark points. Okay, and from this dark point cut this arc. So wherever the arc and this dark point meet, that is a line which is parallel to X3Z. Okay, so this will be our point P according to the rough figure. Now to connect P over here, we can't draw it directly. You can't draw a parallel line like this. So again there will be a second construction of congruent triangle beginning from Z. So take a suitable measurement and cut the arms. Same measurement from point P, cut this arm. Okay, you have to cut this arm and go ahead. Again there will be two dark points here. take that measurement from here. The third dark point is here. Okay, place it straight and cut this arc. Now connect P with this intersection to give you a segment which is parallel to this segment, and this will be our point M. Okay, so now this was the original triangle XYZ. The new triangle is smaller than the original triangle, as you've seen earlier. So the new triangle that we have got, that is triangle XMP, is smaller than the original triangle. So original triangle is thrice is 2, the new triangle which is 1. So this is the second construction for similar triangles with a common vertex. You all are expected that whatever sums are in the textbook, you will be practicing them at home. Okay? Bye children.